Okay, the displacement is given in the question. But before you do any differentiation, please make sure you simplify it first. Remember, for differentiation of exponential term, you will need to copy and then differentiate the power term, bring it in front. Why I need to do that? Because instantaneous at rest, V is equal to 0. Instantaneous at rest means V equals 0. I do not have the equation for V. I'm going to find it now. Copy. Differentiate the power term. Bring it in front. Alright, plus. Copy. Differentiate the power term. Bring it in front. Notice I make use of bracket because I don't want to make unnecessary careless mistake. Okay, after you get the correct differentiation, I need to solve for B equals 0. That's the difficult one. Okay, method 1 means instead of dealing with negative power, I change to positive power. So basically change to positive power. After that, single fraction, I cross multiply. Let's equate to 0. So because the number very big, very tiring, let me divide by 200. So let us factorize by taking out the smaller power. So after you factorize by taking out the smaller power, let's use zero product rule. So now our job is to take ln on both sides. On the left hand side, when I take ln, I can't ln 0, it will be NA. On the right side, please rearrange. Make sure the coefficient is 1 first. Then I take ln on both sides. I can make use of the power law, bring the t down. Ln E is equal to 1. So I can press a calculator now. What is my value of t? Method 2 means that whether positive or negative, I just factorize the smaller power. Check your factorization is correct. Then you can use zero product rule. So it's a replicate of what I did just now. So I'm just going to write down by taking ln. After that will be ln of 3 over 2 and write the answer accordingly. So I need to find the total distance, which I can find by using the displacement during the first 3 seconds. That's not sufficient. I must always check. Mr. Liu says sometimes when the particles stop in between, there may be a change of direction. Please remember to include V equals 0 and very good. We got our answer just now, 0.40546. Okay, we have to be a little bit hardworking. I need to find all the respective S, which is the displacement. Can I get you to press your calculator now? So after I have indicated the respective displacement, remember to draw a horizontal line. So I indicate all the distance first. Then I look at the timing, 0 to 0.40546 to 3 seconds. So this is the first timing. I start from 0. Next timing. So the second timing that you have, you move to the next one. Then we look at the last timing. Oh, must make a U-turn. Then we go back to 0.47 meter. If I want to find the answer for the total distance for the first 3 seconds, this is for the first part. Then after that, I need to find the difference. And that will be my answer for distance traveled in the first 3 seconds. So this will conclude this part. However, I'm going to extend the question. Oh, teacher, if I want to find for the third second, it's quite simple. It's a split second. Just now, when t equal to 3, we have our distance. But I need to find that 1 second before it. So it's a split second. After you calculate, if I want the answer for the third second, This is my own question. The third second, you just find the difference between the split second. So correction, I make a correction here. So the answer will be, so just a reminder, if they want the third second, I must find the distance within the split 1 second.